Why does an apple turn brown when it's left out in the open? Or how does a piece of iron rust over time? The answers to these questions lie in the fascinating world of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are the processes that transform one set of chemical substances into another. They happen all around us, in every moment and in every place. Today we dive into the diverse types of chemical reactions that govern the world we live in. First up is the combination or synthesis reaction. This is when two or more simple substances combine to form a more complex one, like when hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water. It's like a dance, where two separate entities come together to create something new and wonderful. Then there's the decomposition reaction, the exact opposite of combination. It's like the breaking down of a castle into its individual bricks. An example is the electrolysis of water into hydrogen and oxygen. It's a process of simplification, where complex substances break down into simpler ones. Next in line is the displacement reaction. Imagine a queue where a more important person arrives and takes the spot of a less important one, like when zinc displaces copper in a copper sulfate solution to form zinc sulfate. It's a game of musical chairs at the molecular level. Then we have the double displacement reaction, a partner swapping dance among compounds. Take the reaction between barium chloride and sodium sulfate. They swap partners to form barium sulfate and sodium chloride. It's all about give and take. Finally, we touch upon the oxidation-reduction or redox reactions. These involve the transfer of electrons between two species, like when iron rusts or an apple turns brown. It's a trade-off, where one entity loses something only for another to gain. In a nutshell, combination reactions build complexity, while decomposition reactions simplify. Displacement reactions involve a single entity being replaced, while double displacement reactions involve a mutual exchange. And redox reactions are all about the give and take of electrons. These reactions, though they may seem complex, are the building blocks of the world around us. They're the reason why the world isn't static, why it's dynamic and ever-changing. So the next time you see an apple turning brown or a piece of iron rusting, you'll know it's just another chapter in the grand book of chemical reactions. From the dance of combination to the simplicity of decomposition, the musical chairs of displacement to the partner swapping in double displacement, and the trade-off in redox reactions, the world of chemical reactions is as fascinating as it is diverse. So here's to the invisible yet powerful forces that orchestrate the symphony of life and matter. The unsung heroes, the chemical reactions.